YouTube, welcome back to my channel, welcome to another vlog. It's your brother Ani. In today's vlog I've got a beautiful Interceptor 650. So today's plan is that we are going to install the same SS Moto full system exhaust onto this bike. I'm going to make you listen to the stock exhaust for some time, and then you guys can check out the difference with the SS Moto full system exhaust. You guys would have previously watched my other videos in which we had already installed the SS Moto onto a Continental GT 650. So this will be the first time we're installing it on an Interceptor 650. So yeah, the sound is probably going to be the same, but this is the first time we're doing it on an Interceptor, and most of you guys have asked me to share a video on the Interceptor. So here it is today. With that, let's hit the intro. So you guys are aware about the procedure, right? So first we cool off the exhaust and then we take it off. In this video you will not be having the installation process completely, but we will definitely try incorporating some time lapse. So maybe you guys can check out the other video for the installation process, but for this process it will be basically just the exhaust installation and the sound clip. So the exhaust has been installed, but we are still having the same problem with the connecting pipes, or what do you call it, as the header pipes. So these pipes, which we had initially problem with the GT, that's still giving us the same problem. So I believe they need to fix the issue with that. I mean, it's a design fault, so which they need to adhere to. That's the same problem. Okay, we're now trying to figure out what to do. So that's the same issue that we have with the GT. Alright, so finally the exhaust is installed, but this is way quicker than the previous one, the Continental one. So in this we did encounter the problems as usual. The first is the header side. Those we are not able to figure out how exactly you fit it, so all the best with that. So that will be an issue. And second, this time after the review video which I had posted, they have actually concealed it a lot more, so the air leaks is not that evident, I believe, because this time the fitting over here, these joints, one is here and the other one over there. Alright, both these joints were very tight for us to fix it in, so which means the air leak will be very minimal, and that's a plus point. So we'll just install the springs which comes over here, over there, the tensioner springs. So once that is done, we'll definitely fire it up. Alright, so the exhaust is done, springs have been installed, so now we have another installation to be done, and that's this one. This is the LED headlamp for this bike. This is from the brand called Mad Dog. So he's got some accessories as well, some aux lights, which are these. So now the headlights needs to be changed, so we'll be doing that as well in this video.
You guys didn't put the DRL?
DRL is white it in there.
White one.
Turn on.
Normal.
Okay.
First time
That thing is really bright.
But one side, man.
Alright guys, so the exhaust is installed, the headlight is installed. So let's go with the first start. Alrighty then, so the exhaust is done. Let's hear it up close. Alright, so done with the test ride. Now I'm just testing the headlights. This is the low beam, that's the high. I must say it's pretty bright. You want to go a little more brighter? Turn on the aux lights. Whoa! This is cool, man. This is really, really cool.